It's a big game, I think, for both programs. Tipton has a lot of tradition and a lot of history. They've always had a quality basketball program, and obviously they're one of the best teams in the state this year.
And it's been a really good start to the year. By the time you hit this time of season, it's difficult trying to keep everybody motivated and moving forward. But we've continued to make progress this year, and we certainly are going to have our hands full this weekend. But it's been a fun start to the year, and hopefully we can keep things rolling.
Tipton's always been, like I said, a quality team, and they've always been very well coached, as they are this year with Coach Doherty. There's been a lot of good games over the years, and I think that's why it's such a neat rivalry.
A lot of people hear Tipton and think immediately of Derek Elston, and there's a good reason why. I mean, just a tremendous player, and has had a really strong season for us so far, averaging more than 20 points and better than 10 rebounds a game. But you also mentioned, I think the one benefit that Derek has had is that he's surrounded by a group of really good players and good kids, and we're a well-rounded bunch.
I wouldn't say it would turn things around. I think we've got things going in the right direction with our win over Newcastle. We've had some good wins. I think that it would help us continue improving. But this game is going to help us regardless of whether we win or lose. We're playing a really good team. So if we win, great. It's going to help us, our confidence, and we're going to do a lot of good things if we're going to win. If we happen not to win, then that means we've played a very good team in a very tough environment, and the most important thing is we need to come and compete hard, and we need to play hard, and we need to battle, and win or lose, I think this game is going to help us significantly. So I wouldn't go so far as to say it's a turning point. It's really not that. It's a game against a very good opponent at their place, and it's a great opportunity to get better and to play a great team in preparation for the March and sectional tournament, that type of thing.
This is going to be a very telling weekend for me, to see where our guys are at right now, and I think some of the weaknesses that we have will probably be exposed this weekend, which is always a good thing, for our guys to continue to learn how they need to improve, and hopefully these games will continue to benefit us as we get closer to tournament time.